My name is Kit Thompson. I'm a registered nurse at the University Medical Center Brackenridge in the Trauma Program Department. I recently had a 3D mammogram at ARA and was diagnosed with breast cancer. So it was time for my annual mammogram. I'd seen my physician, and as usual, I made my phone call to ARA. I spoke with the young man on the phone, a scheduler. He asked if I would be interested in 3D mammography this year. It's new technology ARA has, and it can detect up to 41% more early breast cancer.
I'm Kendrick Holmes, and I schedule patients here at ARA. It's important to us that our mammogram patients know about 3D mammography.
I gave that a thought for a minute, said yes, I would, and asked where that would be available. There's a downtown location, the Jefferson Center, which is near where I work, and I was able to schedule an appointment for 7 o'clock in the morning. I got a call back from ARA saying they needed additional images. There was something there they wanted to get a better look at. They scheduled an appointment for the next day, and I went in and had the additional images done. After the additional images were obtained, I was put into a consultation room so that I could speak with the doctor. Dr. Agatston, the radiologist, came in and spoke with me. He was very calm, very patient, sat very quietly, explained to me that the next step in my process, the recommendation was a stereotactic breast biopsy.
I'm Dr. Steve Agatston, breast imager at ARA. I'm the radiologist who read Ms. Thompson's imaging study and recommended a biopsy which showed ductal carcinoma in situ. This cancer was diagnosed early and her prognosis is very good. At ARA, we utilize 3D mammography, which brings early detection to a new level, diagnosing up to 41% more invasive breast cancers than with standard 2D mammography.
I had the breast biopsy, and the next day the surgeon called to tell me that I have ductal carcinoma in situ. I have to admit, the only word I really heard at first was carcinoma. However, I did meet with her a few days later to go over exactly what my results meant, what the pathology report showed. And my cancer is considered stage 0. It is in one place, it is in one site, and is the earliest diagnosis for breast cancer essentially that can be had. Once I had a chance to take it all in, make my decisions about my treatment plan, I thought back on how I got to where I was, getting my diagnosis. I thought about that phone call that I made to ARA, that young man on the phone who told me about the option of 3D and my decision to go ahead and do that. I truly believe that that is what made the difference for me. My prognosis is excellent, and my treatment plan, while not pleasant, is minimal by cancer standards. And I'm really thankful that ARA has the processes in place and the technology to make this early diagnosis possible.
When I talked to Ms. Thompson, I made sure to give her that option, and we're so glad that she decided to do it. In her case, early detection made a big difference, and we wish her the best in her recovery.
I'm thrilled with 3D mammography and the opportunity it gives ARA's breast imagers to better care for our patients.
Schedule your 3D mammogram now. Call us at 512-453-6100 or request an appointment online at ausrad.com.